Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to go through all of the new Free Assembly, Scoop, and Jessica Simpson. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. These new hooded sweaters from Free Assembly. They have that V neckline, the drawstring, side seam detail with the ribbed wrist. Also has that ribbed bottom with the hood in the back. In the blue, also comes in the white and navy stripe, and they're $28. Now, lace look layered tanks from Jessica Simpson. So this is an acid wash ribbed stretchy cardigan, and then it has the tank that is, you can remove it, has the little snap, so you can just have the tank or just the cardigan. This is a shorter fit. This is the medium. In this blue color, also comes in that beige, and they are $22.50. New sweatpants from Free Assembly. These are cargo. They have an elastic waistband inside. It's a stretchy kind of soft material. Relaxed fit through the front and the back. New ribbed stretchy tops from Scoop. So this has a scoop neckline, the lettuce or a scallop trim. Has these faux buttons. It's fitted through the wrist, also in the body, in the black. Also comes in white, and they're $16. Sweaters from Scoop. They have that crew neckline, the little shoulder detail ribbing at the bottom, also on the wrist. Has that acid wash kind of look in the pink. So in the black, and they're $28. Also new cargo pants from Scoop. So these have a drawstring in the waist, side pocket, the flat pocket through the leg, and then a jogger bottom. The back has no pockets. In the green, it's like a 12 material, also in the denim, and they're $30. Also new double lined tee from Scoop. So this is just for show. It has the higher neckline, the lower neckline fitted through the wrist. Also has that banding on the wrist, and then also at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. Right above it, some new colors in the crew neck short sleeve, and has that same through the back. These are going to be, I think they're between 18 and 20. We saw it in a few other colors. There it is in the white. Also new flutter sleeve top from Free Assembly. This has the high neckline, the double little flutter sleeve. There's functioning buttons, really good line through the front and back. Also new cardigan from Free Assembly. This has the higher neckline. It has that scallop trim, the gold trim buttons, the ribbed wrist zip pointail material. In the white and navy, also in the green and navy. New tie front blouse from Free Assembly. This has that oversized bow, the little shoulder detail, gathering with the button on the wrist, and then it scoops. And then the seam in the back. Also new sweatshirt and pants set from Free Assembly. So the shirt has that crew neckline. It's a French terry, that side seam with the ribbed sleeve, the ribbed bottom, and then the seam fit through the back. And then the pants have that elastic waistband, drawstring, the side pocket. They are cropped. It's a nice flowy leg. And then it looks like the sweatshirt also comes in the blue. And then that has the embroidered flowers. Also new shirt dress from Free Assembly. This has that high neckline, full functioning buttons, a fit and flare. Button detail on the wrist, and then the same fit through the back with the belt. And also new from Free Assembly is this puff sleeve dress. So this has that sweetheart neckline, the balloon sleeve fit, and then also that same kind of A-line with the same fit through the back. Also new wrap skirt from Free Assembly. So this has this side buckle detail. It's wrapped from a textured, thicker material in the blue and white gingham, and they're going to be at $28. New coat from Scoop. So I think we saw this in like a green color, but it has a smaller collar lapel too. Flat pockets, relaxed to the wrist, really good length. And they are going to be $59. Also new short sleeve hooded sweatshirt from Scoop. So this super soft fleece, has the drop sleeve with that puff detail. Kangaroo pocket, has the zipper that goes both ways, and then a hood in the back. And these are going to be $26. Also new pearl dress from Free Assembly. So I think these are online only, but someone probably bought it online and returned it. Has this squared neckline, fit and flare out about midi length, and then that pearl detailing on the back. And let's see a price. These new sweater vests from Scoop. It has that high neckline, sleeveless, faux buttons to the front, stretchy, and then that seam fit through the back. Also new dress from Scoop. So this has the tie detail, V neckline, hook and eye buttons, little fit and flare with the drop tier. In this black floral, there's also elastic through the back. The quality on this is really nice. And then also this purple. And the dresses are $30. New sweater dress from Scoop. So this one has that mock neckline. It's the same cut as like the Dalmatian. There was like a black and burgundy, that same material. And then the same fit through the back. It says dresses, $26. So new turtleneck from Free Assembly. So we saw this red and blue. Now they have this navy and white stripe. It's a rib stretchy material, fold over, really nice length. And then the same fit through the back. Let's see a price. First of these new sweaters from Free Assembly. They have the crew neckline, ribbed side, the ribbed bottom, puff shoulder detail in the navy and white. Also the red and navy, and these are going to be $22. First are these new pull-on skirts from Free Assembly. They have an elastic waistband. It's a nice kind of textured material. Has that fit and flare with button detail, and those are functioning buttons. Same fit through the back in the green and blue plaid. Also comes in the navy and white, and they're $28. Also new fleece hoodie from Scoop. So this has that wrap front, the kangaroo pocket. It's a super soft fleece, ribbed wrist with the gathering, and then the hood in the back. And then right next to it is another new hoodie from Scoop. There's that scuba material, has that same detail, the banded wrist with the hood in the back. And they are going to be $32. Shells from Free Assembly are also marked down. So they have these scallop trimmed, pointel, really cute to layer on top of your button-down shirts. Also under the cardigan set. I think that one's also marked down. So these are down to $7.35, regularly $16. Cardigans are down to $16. They have that scoop neckline, full buttons. In store, they're not marked down. They're regularly $24. So they also have it in navy. There's that lime green color in the sweater from Scoop. So this has that higher neckline, the drop sleeve, oversized ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back. I'm pretty sure these are on sale. So regularly going to be at $29. I think they're on sale for $21. Sweatpants from Scoop. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring. They're wide leg with the raw hem. Inside, it's a super soft fleece, and then the same kind of fit through the back. This is the sweatshirt to match. So these have the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, same soft fleece, and then the same kind of fit through the back. Wide leg jeans from Scoop. These look like they're high rise. They have this gathered detail, the seam with the side pocket. It's a flowy leg with pockets on the back. Jeans are going to be $28. A new polo short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have that rib neckline, this little shoulder detail, the ribbed sleeve, also the bottom, Henley style buttons. In the navy, they also have a crew neck style with the stripe, in the navy with the white. They're solid white. And short sleeves are $16, and then the little collared tops are $24. Barrel leg jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise. They have the pockets. They come in at the leg, the ankle, and then pockets on the back. They also have that same seam detailing through the back. And they are going to be no price, so they'll be linked. Maybe they had on the tag. No, they took it off. So new Henley top from Scoop. So this has that rounded neckline, half button, that side seam with the banded wrist, also the banded bottom, and that seam fit through the back. And they're $20. New pieces from Scoop in the scuba material. So this has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, banded wrist with the banded bottom. This is the extra small. The wrist looks really small, so I think they have the sizes a little smaller. And then the pants are pull on. They have that seam detailing, wide flowy leg. So they have this new brown color, and then they also have both pieces in the black and this fuchsias now. No zip hoodies from Scoop. So this is that scuba material, has the drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist side pocket with the seaming. Comes in the gray, also in black. Cardigans from Free Assembly. We saw these in the short sleeve option. Now they have them in the long sleeve option. Has the crew neckline, the same rhinestone buttons, cable knit through the body. They're a little thinner. I feel like the short sleeve that I have in the black is a little thicker. And then it also has the ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. Comes in the white, also in black and the gray, and they're $26. So many designers have this dark wash barrel leg jean. These are from Free Assembly. I saw they have denim from Free Assembly. These are high rise, this straight leg. That same fit through the back. And they're going to be at $26. Also have in the men's these quilted barn style jackets. So these have the corduroy lining, relaxed, and then it also has the quilting inside. Has that same kind of corduroy trim, and then the same fit through the back. And then also, oops, from Free Assembly, they have this one. So it's a barn coat with the corduroy collar. It's a twill material, the corduroy trim, and then it has this flannel lining with the zip front, and then the seam in the back. Next trend we're shopping for is Ladylike styles. These are from Free Assembly. So crew neckline, oversized gold buttons, the two front pockets relax through the wrists, and then the same fit through the back. And they're $25. So new mock neck sweater from Free Assembly. So this has the mock neckline, drop sleeve, oversized ribbed wrist, also the ribbed bottom with the slits on the side, and then the seam fit through the back. So new hooded sweater from Free Assembly. So this has that wrap style. It has this side seam, oversized ribbed wrist, more of that boxy slouch fit. And these will be linked down below. So new sneak peek faux fur shaggy coat from Scoop. So this one has the hook and eye closure, has that feathered look, relax through the wrist, that seam kind of fit through the back, and they're $50. New tees from Free Assembly. So these have a crew neckline, the little shoulder detail. It's a French terry material with all this little embellished kind of rhinestone flowers. Comes in the black, also in the white, and they'll be linked down below. What is this thing? Oh, from Scoop. Look at this coat. Has the oversized faux fur collar, double-breasted buttons, wool look, relaxed, completely lined, and then that link through the back. New blazer style jacket from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise buttons, a two flat pocket, oversized ribbed wrist, completely lined on the inside, and then that seam detail in the back. New coats from Free Assembly. So this is a corduroy material. Has that elastic on the wrist, quilted, has the elastic in the waist, side pocket with this belt, little tie, side tie, hood in the back. Oh, it makes little bows. So only seeing it in the black, and these are $48. Also new is this mock neck top from Scoop. So this has that high neckline. It's a stretchy material. That's what it looks like on the inside. Also has that underarm coverage with the little ruching, and then the same fit through the back. Only seeing the green. A new little fuzzy sweater from Free Assembly. So these have a high neckline, more of that boxy fit. Ribbed bottom, has that drop sleeve, and then the same kind of boxy fit through the back. New denim shirt from Free Assembly. Has this smaller collar, full buttons, two flat pockets. Has this little embellished detail on the collar, and then gathering on the wrist. That scoop in the middle, and then the seam detail in the back. New mock neck tees from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless, this stretchy material, fitted, and then the seam fit through the back. First, we have new denim from Free Assembly. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering. It's a straight leg, faded through the front, and then also through the back. So marked down are some of the Scoop tees, so really good basics. They have a high neckline, they're really soft, stretchy. There's a bunch of different colors. The lime black, they have white, and these were regularly $8. They're now on sale for $3.95. New cardigan. How pretty is this one from Free Assembly? So look how pretty it looks up close. Like that fuzzy detail. Has the oversized gold buttons, two front pockets, has that banded wrist, And then the same fit through the back. First of these new puff sleeve sweaters from Scoop. They have that crew neckline, oversized puff sleeve, super soft stretchy sweater material with the rib bottom. That same fit through the back. Comes in the gray. They also have the white with the little sequins, sparkly gold. New mint colored cardigan from Scoop. This one has a plunging V, tortoise buttons, ribbed wrist with the rib bottom. That same fit through the back. This is a nice kind of tunic length. Underneath that, they have these new cable knit sweater pants from Free Assembly. So these are super soft and stretchy. They have that elastic waistband. Also has a functioning side pocket. It's a wide leg. And then that same fit through the back. Sneak peek shoes from Scoop. So these have a pointed toe, really cute little bow back with a stiletto. How adorable. I think I need these and they're going to be my favorite shoes for the holidays. And these are $36. So a new boot from Scoop. So this one has the pointed toe fold over with that zipper detail. Also has the zipper on the inside. The quality on these is so nice. And they're $52. New shoes from Scoop. So they have this new boot has a little bit of a square toe, that same detail, chunky heel, stretchy with the zipper on the inside, and these are $52. Also new from Scoop are these little, like a grommet ballet flat. So these have the rounded toe, has a lot of coverage at the top, and then almost completely flat, and these are going to be $36. New flats from Scoop. These have that square toe, this elastic little sling back with the buckle. To price. And then right next to that, a new leopard boot. These have a little bit of a pointed toe, kitten heel, zipper on the inside, and they're $52. New heels from Scoop. So these have a pointed toe. It's like this fuzzy look with this stiletto. I saw these online. I wasn't crazy about them, but then I saw on like the social media somebody out like wearing shoes like this, and they actually looked really cute on. And these are going to be $36. I saw these online, and I've had them on my mind, but these are on major sale. They have the square toe with that oversized bow, the thinner heel. And they have them in a few colors. I think they're under $15. To end the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.